How to navigate on Hinge Dating app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can navigate on Hinge Dating app. Now, at the home page here, if you tap on it on the home page, you'll be able to view various profiles, and you can send likes or send comments and scroll down further below as well. Similarly, if you tap on the little star icon there, you'll be able to see this stand out. Tap on the like option, there you'll be able to see who likes you here. Similarly, if you tap on the chat icon, you'll be able to see if you have any matches, and you can start up chats here. If you tap on profile, you'll be able to head over to your profile. Now at the home page at the top, you'll be able to access to the compatible ones, the active today ones, nearby and new here. However, that is the Hinge Plus feature. You'll need to have Hinge Plus as well. On your profile, you'll be able to see edit profile option, dating preferences, settings, what works, and help center as well. So this is the way that you can navigate on Hinge Dating app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.